Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nawada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School, Nawada, Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the second chapter of Unit 2 of class 10, that is our the importance of working independently. The importance of working independently. Is that clear? So students, all of you know what do you mean by independent? Yes or no? That means independent is the such type of the word for which to do the work by yourself. That means don't be dependent from the others. What you think that is right or wrong, you create, you generate, you think your efficiency by yourself. No need to ask from others whether it is right or wrong. What you want to do, you can do easily. Is that clear, students? So students, then if we are working independently, then what type of importance will be there? In all type of the background, or in all the background, from the student career to up to higher career, all are working. So, some of the independent and some of the dependent. Those peoples are working in a group. Those peoples are working in a grouping way. That is what? Dependent. That means one will be depend from the other. That means, suppose I will say, if A, B, C and D are the four peoples. A, B, C, D are the four peoples. Okay, students? A, B, C, D are the four people. That means if all the peoples are working together, that means A will dependent on B, B dependent on C, C dependent on D. That means they are depending to each other. What or any one of the person wants to start the work, means suppose B want to start the any of the new work, so B will take the suggest from A, C or D also. That means in this situation there is no any type of the independent word is there. If only a single person will do the work, just like the self-reading, that is an independent. Yes or no? Self-reading. No one will give the pressure to you. Now you are the students of the schooling career, in the graduation, in the master degree, in the MPhil or PhD. In that time, no one can say read up to this time of the hours. Yes or no? That is a totally independent. If you are doing very correctly way, and that independently will be work in your health. Is that clear, students? So that's why what type of the importance will be when we are working independently. Means no need to ask from the others. What you think, what you want to do, you do by yourself. That one is a what? Working independently. And by the working independently, we can also say that working more efficient also. If you are working independently, it will may create or generate more efficient of the work, more accurate, more appreciate. Okay, student? Self-awareness, self-correcting. So these are all the what working independently means. The working independently means you work independently. That means don't be depending from the others. Self-correcting, self-motivation, self-awareness. Is that clear? Or what we want to do the work that should be the more efficiency. Is that clear, students? Okay, students. Those people are the laborers. That type of the people wants working independently. You see, the business type of the person, what they are working independently. All the business person. Yes or no, students? That means what they want to the business. That is what they think they are working immediately. Is that clear or no, students? That is our working independently. Okay, students. Now we will discuss some importance and advantages of working independently. If we work in independent way, then what type of the importance or what are the advantages for that? Okay, students, we will discuss. There are 10 advantages which has given in your book. So today class I will discuss only the 5 advantages. In the next class I will discuss the next 5 advantages. Is that clear, student? Now see, student, the first advantage is here what? You become the boss. This one is a most of the big advantage of the when you are working independently. You become the boss. Boss means what? You can leader by yourself. Okay, students. That means what you think. No, don't be asking from the others. Don't take the suggestion from the others. What you think, you apply by your mind and start your work. In that case, you are the boss. That means what you think, what you take the decision, what you want to take the decision, that is a what? Boss, own boss. That is our own brain. What will I think? I'll do that one. What you are thinking, you do that one. Don't be asking from the others. You want, I will read 7 to 8 hours, 10 hours. No one can say, because you are the boss for your self-study. Yes or no, students? For the self-studying, no one can say, why are you studying? Please leave it. No one will say. Because you are all the good students. Those are all the good. They are the what? Good boss. Those people are good people. Those people are the hard worker. Most of the laborers person, that type of the people can be doing the work or can prefer independently. That means that type of the people are the boss. Is that clear or not, students? Is that clear or not? Is that clear? The students, in the boss situation, in the grouping, when we are working in a grouping case, in that case, one of the boss must be there. In your classroom, 40-45 students are reading. That means monitor is there. If 6 teachers are teaching you, class teacher is there. If 100 teachers are there, one of the principal is there. That means they are all the boss. And when we are working independently, when we are not doing the work any of the under, that means you are the boss. Is that clear? That means what you think, you take the decision and start your work, start your job. Okay, students, no need to take any type of the suggest from the others. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, students. Next one is your students. You own the credit. Students, when the people are working in a grouping, the all are interested to take the credit from the others. I have done the work give me the any type of the credit to me, or they want to take the credit. Yes or no, students? If suppose A, B, C, D are the 4 friends, if they are working together for a single institution, and each and every person they want to take the credit from the others, and in that case what? Then it will be create the conflict. But when we are working independently, in that case, in that situation, no any type of the conflict will be there. Yes or no? If you are working, if you work good, then credit is yours. If you are working bad, is that clear? If you are working is bad, credit will not be with you. Yes or no, students? Yes or no? So students, for this, if I am teaching well, if I am teaching well, so credit, all type of the credit goes to me. Yes or no? For teaching well, what type of the work will be done? First of all, I will read thoroughly. What type of points I have given? How to explain that one? Yes or no, students? That is a what? That is our independent work. In that case, I am the boss. If I am the boss, I will do any type of the work, means any type of the explanation related to that points. Is that clear? If I am teaching well in an independent way, that means all type of the credits goes to me. Is that clear or not, student? That's why, because as you are working alone, if it is good, then credit goes to you. If it is bad, then credit will not go to you. Is that clear or not, students? Is that clear? Because credit is the most important for your independent work. If good credit is given to you, that means one of the credit, or every time you are taking the credit from the others, it is helping from your future. Is that clear, students? Then students, easy to focus. Easy to focus means what, students? As we are working independently, I will think by myself. You are thinking by yourself. That means, suppose I will start any type of the work, or we will start any type of the work independently. For working, for starting the work, we have time to think. Yes or no, students? In alone time, means in that, suppose no person is with you, and you are interested to that one, but I think alone. For starting the work, or after 2 days I will start the new work. So what type of the criteria, what type of the materials, yes or no, are required? For that we can start our work in a very smoothly. How to that one? That means you can take the focus. Is that clear? Easy to focus very smoothly. No need to take the suggestion from the others, because you are working independently. As you are working independently, you think first of all. If I do this way, then how it is? If I do in this way, then how it is? If we will choose the 4 ways, is that clear? Or you think the 4 ways, which ways is most preferred from the others, you do the work on that way. That means that is your focus. Is that clear or not? If you are working in a grouping way, then you cannot take the any type of the focus, or you cannot take the apply your brain by yourself, because in that case 4 person, in this case 4 person will take the decision. 4 person they are thinking which one is the better. If all are the good thinking, but A will tell my thinking is good, B will tell my thinking is good, then which type of the thinking will take the action? That means in this case they will create the conflict. But when you are working independently, you think by yourself, you take the decision by yourself. First of all you think. Is that clear? You think first of all, then take decision. You think, then take decision. If you are thinking in a good way, then you can take the good decision, which is helping for the others. Yes or no, student? As we are working independently, we have sufficient time, enough time to create the focus by ourselves. We have sufficient time to think about the others. Yes or no? Or my working efficiently. What will I start the work tomorrow, day after tomorrow? First of all, I will think that one. If you are the students, after 4 days your exam will be started. After 3 months, for the class 10, after 8 months your board exam will be started. Those are the good students. They are thinking now. Yes or no? That means they are focusing on the study. They are focused on his study, on their study. Yes or no? Those are the good students because they know very well. Now this is the word COVID-19 is totally around the world. That means the COVID-19 or Corona is spreading throughout the world or country. Yes or no, students? In that case, all type of the means your study is the what? Hamper. Your study is hamper. That means in that case, what you are doing, you focus that one. In which way I will start my knowledge? Yes or no? Teachers are discussing. Teachers are taking the class. That is good. But you also focus on your study. If you will not focus on your study, our students will not focus on his or her study. Yes or no, students? If they will depend from the others, if A will depend from the B, if one of the students will depend from the others, I will take the notes from the others, and that student will not give you, then you think what are the situation will be happening with you. Yes or no, students? That means individually now, this time to work independently. Take the help from your teachers. They are providing the video, live class also. Yes or no? Providing the notes, and your duty, you focus on the video lecture and your notes, materials, prepare that one. That is your focus. Is that clear, students? The next one is the students, you become the authority. That means you become the, as we are working independently, or you are becoming the independently, then you will be the authority. You are author. That means you take a decision. That means you focus on boss or authority. Boss and authority. That means you are the total power. You have the total power. If you want to write something by yourself, suppose in your mind, or you are thinking something you want to write, yes or no, you write that one. Don't take any type of the decision from the others. Yes or no, students? That is means as you are working alone, you are not taking the decision, or you are not taking any type of the suggestion from the others. In that case, you are the author. You are the boss. You are the authority. You are the full power. Any type you can do, but you do such type of the work, but that it will be good for the others, helping the good for the others. Otherwise, you will face the problem. Yes or no, student? If I start one of the poem, I can do that. If you want to make a poem, story, you write that one by your name. Yes or no, students? If you want to start your self-study, you do that one. Your parents will not be forgiven to you. Why are you studying? Why are you writing the poem? Why are you writing the story? No one can say, because that is your power. That is your power. That means that knowledge has given to you. That means that type of knowledge you have with. That means you can apply your mind, you can apply your brain. Yes or no, student? So in that case, you are becoming the authority. Because as we are working independently, that means if we are all the working independently, we are all the authority to do the work. No need to take the suggestion from the others. Okay, students? Then students, become independent. That means as you are working independently, that means you are become independent. As you work independent, in that case, no any type of interpretation in between us. What I think, I do that one. What you think, you do that one. Yes or no, students? If it is good, no one can say. If it is bad, no one also can say. Yes or no, students? Because you are working independently. If you are starting the business, if it is gain, it is good. If it is loss, also no one can say. No one can to say badly way why your business is bad, why your business is lost. No one can say, because that is yours. You are working independently. You are not asking or you are not taking the suggestion from the others. You are not working in a grouping. That means in that case, students, in that case we are the independent. As we are working independently, that means each and every person will be the independent. And for the independent, no conflict, no any type of the interpretation in between there. Yes or no, students? We must working more efficiently. As we work independently, our working speed will be more efficient. It will be more efficient because when we are working independent, we are working independent. We are not depending from the others. That is our working hour also will be increased. Productivity also will be increased. Efficiency also will be increased. Our type of the work also more accurate. Is that clear or not, students? We are all the self-aware, more and more self-aware, more and more self-correction. Is that clear or not, students? For this, you think if you are working independently, what type of the advantages is there? Is that clear or not, student? The student try to do the work independently. If you are walking on the road, don't be dependent from the others. Means what? Anyone of the people will come, they will be what? Helping to us from left to right or right to left crossing the road. Don't take the any type of this type of the help from. That means you are depending. If you are studying, don't be depending. You start your study by yourself. Self-study. Yes or no? Don't be thinking we will study in a grouping way. If you will study in a grouping way, one day will come. That means the grouping of the students must be completed. Must be completed. Is that clear or not, students? Is that at your home, some of the work which can be done by yourself, you do that one. Don't be depending from the others. That means if we are the students, that means we are working, try to work independently. That means wash your dress independently. Don't be giving to your mother to wash the dress. Yes or no, students? Each and every work try to do independently. If you do independently, students, you see your speed will be increased ultimately. Productivity also will be increased. Is that clear or not, students? Is that clear or not, students? So, students, in this way we have discussed the 5 advantages. In the next class, as we work independently, the next 5 advantages: no external pressure, no confusion, more efficiency, better knowledge, overall growth. We will discuss in the next class. Okay, student? The student, focus on your study. Be work, be the self-study by yourself. Be independent. Don't be dependent from the other. That's it. Thank you.